We were young in Greenwich, London air, 40 years ago, without a clue we'd get this far. You smiled first, I stayed right there. Didn't know that moment would right our hearts. 3 kids later, life in between. Jack, Holly, Rosie, best thing we've ever seen. Sunburnt days and caravan dreams. Parent sands, Cornwall salt in our jeans. I was happy just being us. No rings, no rush, just love enough. You had plans I never guessed. You always knew what came next. Oh babe, my doll, my everything. You built a life while I followed the wind. I thought love was just staying put. Turns out love is trusting you. From Greenwich streets to harbor views, I found my whole life standing next to you. Came home tired from a long day's graft. Box on the doorstep, thought someone was having a laugh. 500 invites printed in real. I rang you up like, babe, tell me this ain't a deal. Where are you now? You laugh so calm. In a bridal shop in Bromley with mom trying gowns on. I should have known then, right on cue. You don't wait for life, you make it true. You didn't drag me down the aisle, you showed me love with a fearless smile. I didn't plan it, that much is true, but I never planned on life without you. Oh babe, my doll, my everything. You saw the future before I believed. I thought love was just holding tight. Turns out